Very important people in entire regional Zamboanga Peninsula na adere to witness this grandiose event. So, DepEd Zamboanga Sibugay is ready. I guess everyone is ready to compete for this CIPRA 2025. So, I guess that's all. Ngayong hapon sa tanan.
Thank you, Sir Batan. Thank you, Mayor Cesar Soriano, for indeed this is a brave hosting of Ziparami 2025. When I say one dream, you say one shakon. One dream, one shakon. Okay, thank you so much. It is now 6:50 p.m. I'm still